Hello, friend. Thanks for watching the videos, my videos on Capstone Project. And also, thanks for your questions. Okay, let's begin at the beginning. Okay, in order to now, if you're on Windows, there's three things you have to install. You have to install Rstudio, you have to install R, and you have to install what's called R Tools. Now, my first recommendation is don't change anything about the install. Okay. Use all the defaults. It'll save you a lot of headaches down the road, okay? If you're using either Linux or Mac OS, then you don't have to install R Tools, okay? Now, so the first thing you want to do is go out to our project. You make sure you're running R version 4.2.2, because if you're not, then I can't help you because I am, okay? And it could be that maybe, particularly if you run an older version like 4.1 something like down here, well, the latest version of Tidyverse and other packages may not install. I can't really emphasize how important it is to keep your system up to date. Okay? So now, and as far as R tools, again, you can just search for R, and I'll give you a hint. What you're looking for is R Tools 42. Okay? And here it is. Now, what R Tools is, it's a bunch of Unix-type utilities and a bunch of build utilities, like compilers and stuff, which you need to build packages in many cases, okay? Now, so let's assume they got everything installed and it's up to date, okay? The next thing you want to do, and I recommend you do this every day when you fire up your system is, first of all, close all the packages. Second of all, locate the console window and the package window. If you look up here, okay, so when you first fire up your system, all right, console window and package window, okay? It'll tell you in the console window what version of R you're running. Like I say, it's got to be 4.2.2. Because if I'm using a different version than you, my results may be different. Okay. So now you got your R2 4.2 installed. You got the latest, and as far as Rstudio, just check for updates. That's the easiest way to do it. Okay. So now we got the R Tools 4.2 installed. We got R 4.2.2. And we got the latest version of Rstudio installed. So the next thing you want to do is click on Update. Now I just ran this, and if you see a pop-up that says, packages needing update or something like that, right? Let's say it'll say package needing update in a window with a list of all the packages to be updated on it. Click the update, click select all, click update, watch for error messages over here in the window. Anytime you install something, you'll get messages over here telling you what's going on. Okay, so make sure there's not any error messages when you try to update your packages. Now also, watch for error messages, and you might see a message that says you need to install like DevTools. There's a package called DevTools. You may say DevTools isn't installed. Okay, you know what you can actually do is run package update and then go ahead and install DevTools. Okay, all right. So now our packages, now everything's up to date. So now you come back over here and now you install Tidyverse. And again, Tidyverse installs with other packages along with it. Okay. So then you will come over here again, watch for error messages as you install. Okay? And that's really the only advice I have, and beyond that, you may have to go to like an R support community or something like that on Facebook or something like that, okay? So anyway, friend, hope this solves your issue. If it doesn't, you can always leave another message on the YouTube channel, okay?